Hi there, I am Vani from EngVarta. In today's video, we are going to talk about prepositions of and off. This topic was requested by one of our subscribers, Mr. Zulkar. If you have any video topic request or any doubts, feel free to use the comment box below. Now let's start today's lesson. Let's start by understanding the usage of the preposition of first. Of is used to indicate that something belongs to or is a part of something. For example, I need a glass of water. I am a part of the EngVarta team. The sleeves of the coat are not ironed. You must have heard this from your teacher many a times. Open the first page of your book. So in examples like a glass of water, the first page of the book, part of the EngVarta team, sleeves of the coat, are all part of something. Of is also used for giving number, age, amount or quantity. For example, there is an increase of 12% in the revenue this year. I met him at the age of 17. A lot of students want to improve their English. I make plenty of spelling mistakes when I type on my computer. Of is used to express a relationship between a direction and a point of reference. Just like we say, north of India or south of India. Of is used to indicate an occasion. For example, we danced together on the eve of New Year. We decided on the agenda of the meeting. Of is used to talk about something having a particular feature or a quality. For example, it is very generous of you to help me. It is very kind of you to feed stray dogs. Are you afraid of making mistakes? Her mind is always full of questions. And the next rule says that of is used to talk about what something is made up of. For example, this table is made up of wood. The wall is made up of bricks. So those were all the rules on the usage of the preposition of. Let's understand the usage of the preposition of. But before we begin, you need to understand that of is used as different parts of speech. It can be used as an adjective, as an adverb, as a preposition, and as a verb. In this video, we will understand how to use of as a preposition. The first usage of the preposition of is to indicate that something is down or away from a place, position, or time. For example, the flight had already taken off when I reached the airport, which means the flight had already departed and is away from the place. Another examples could be, please get off the train when you reach. All the fruits dropped off the tree. We are not that far off from our target now. He lives just off the main road. Off is used with actions in which something is removed from something. For example, can you help me take the lid off the jar? Which means that you want to remove the lid from the jar. Other examples could be, take your hands off my pizza. Get off the table. Did you take the book off my desk? The last rule of off. Off is used when you don't like something or you have stopped eating or using something. For example, I'm off dairy products for a month. So those were all the rules for the usage of the prepositions of and off. And now it's time for your assignment. Write down your answers in the comment box below. I will see you in our next video. Till then, take care and happy learning.
EngVarta, your English practice playground. No judgment, only motivation and constructive feedback. Join today.